Today I am reviewing Samsung Galaxy A16 4G LTE. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, let's take a deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy A16 4G LTE, the latest affordable smartphone from Samsung's popular Galaxy A series. Designed for users who want a balance of performance, display quality, and camera capability without spending a fortune, this phone is shaping up to be one of the best value-packed mid-range devices available right now. Starting with the design and display, the Galaxy A16 features a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Samsung is known for its vibrant AMOLED panels, and this one does not disappoint. You get rich colors, deep blacks, and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations feel fluid. With a peak brightness of 800 nits in high brightness mode, visibility in outdoor sunlight is also impressive. The nearly 86% screen-to-body ratio gives the phone a modern and immersive look, great for streaming, browsing, and even gaming. Moving on to performance, the Galaxy A16 is powered by the MediaTek Helio processor clocked at 2 GHz, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. While 4 GB RAM may not sound massive compared to flagship devices, Samsung has optimized the phone well for everyday tasks like browsing, social media, video streaming, and light gaming. Storage is also expandable up to 1 TB with a microSD card, giving you plenty of room for apps, photos, and videos. The phone runs on the Android operating system with Samsung's One UI layered on top, which brings a smooth and user-friendly experience. Features like dark mode, gesture navigation, and customization options are all here, giving users a flexible software environment. Now, let's talk about the camera system, which is one of the strongest selling points of the Galaxy A16. On the rear, you'll find a triple camera setup led by a 50-megapixel main wide-angle camera, supported by a macro lens for close-up shots, and an additional depth or support sensor. The 50MP shooter captures sharp, detailed photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Colors look natural, and the HDR processing helps balance highlights and shadows. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera that delivers clean and bright images, perfect for social media, video calls, or casual vlogging. Both the front and rear cameras can record video at 1080p resolution, and combined with the AMOLED display, watching playback feels immersive and enjoyable. Battery life is another major highlight. The Galaxy A16 comes with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy usage. Whether you're watching YouTube, streaming Netflix, or attending Zoom calls, you won't need to worry about running out of power. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 25-watt wired fast charging, which means you can top up the battery relatively quickly compared to other phones in this price range. Connectivity is also worth noting. This is a dual SIM, factory unlocked international model, compatible with major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and many of their MVNOs, including Tracfone, Straight Talk, and Visible. However, it's important to note that the Galaxy A16 does not support eSIM and is not compatible with T-Mobile and its subsidiaries, such as Metro, Mint, and Ultra. So, checking compatibility with your carrier before purchase is highly recommended. For security, the phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint reader, as well as standard Android security features like Face Unlock and regular software updates from Samsung. Other handy features include a 3.5mm headphone jack, expandable storage, GPS support, and a water-resistant design for added durability. Weighing around 200 grams and measuring 6.47 inches tall with just 0.31 inches of thickness, the phone feels solid yet slim enough to handle comfortably. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A16 4G LTE strikes an excellent balance between performance, design, and affordability. You're getting a gorgeous Super AMOLED display, a capable 50-megapixel triple camera system, long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery life, and the trusted Samsung ecosystem, all at a price that is very competitive in today's smartphone market. This makes it a fantastic choice for students, professionals, and anyone looking for a reliable daily driver, without breaking the bank. If you're someone who values display quality, long battery endurance, and decent performance for everyday tasks, the Galaxy A16 is definitely worth considering.